Welcome to the J.J. Keller mobile hardware installation video using 2.5 ELD hardware. Your ELD comes with a connection cable and a resource packet of instructions. It is important that you review and read the documents enclosed in the resource packet. It includes important information on how to use the device, terms of use, a roadside inspection card, and much more. Once you review the materials, you must keep them in your vehicle. In case of a roadside inspection, you must be able to present certain materials to the officer if asked. To complete the installation, you'll need a compatible Y adapter to fit your truck's diagnostics port. To install the ELD, locate the diagnostic port in the vehicle. Plug the male end of your vehicle-specific Y adapter into the port. Or if you prefer, remove the mount or bracket and plug the male end of your vehicle-specific Y adapter into the just removed diagnostics port. Then secure the female end of the Y adapter in the vehicle diagnostic port for future engine maintenance needs. Attach the 10-pin connector of the ELD connection cable to the 10-pin connector of the Y adapter. Route the ELD connection cable to the desired location for the ELD. Plug the 16-pin connector of the ELD connection cable into the ELD. Secure the connector to the ELD using the provided zip ties. The lights on the ELD will flash, indicating power is going to the ELD. If there are no lights, double-check all connections to make sure they are secure. Mount the ELD securely in a place where the LED lights are easily visible to the driver. Do not install in the glove box, under the seat, or in an enclosed area. This completes your installation. Your next step is to download the J.J. Keller mobile app. We invite you to watch the J.J. Keller mobile app configuration and setup video next. There are two versions, one for Android and the other is for iPad or iPhone. We're happy you've chosen J.J. Keller as your e-log partner, and we look forward to working with you.